I'll give you this for it. You got it, you got it, you got it. Okay, you can pull it. Oh yeah!
We can do all of them?
Not all of them, we'll do some.
We got the fireworks, bro. Oh shit.
This one has 7.
Nathaniel, bro. Nathaniel's the plug, bro. Look at this guy.
I'm up over here. He's fine.
Bro, the contrast is so high. There we go.
Do it in front
Yeah, bro.
and behind.
Let's do it up front, low key, because the house is over there. Jaden, bro, what are your thoughts on this, bro?
Fucking see him.
Bro, it's cold as fuck to me, bro. Look at this man's attire. Look at this guy, bro. Look at this one. Bro, the light off, bro. Look at the moon, bro. What the fuck? Ready. Bro, we gotta leave pretty quickly too, so get your keys ready too in hand.
Slides too.
Crazy work.
Be careful, bro.
Crazy work, bro.
I had a bad experience running in slides once.
All of them, baby. Baby. Bro took a hit, bro. Mid. Yo! Oh shit. Yo! Yo! Yo, that was crazy. Yo.
You go off more on this show.
I bet.
Just keep it on this time.
What?
We can beat this gas, bro.
Yo. About this John. Like some ironworks, bro. Like some ironworks. Some ironworks. Yo, what's that? Yo, don't put that into that.
Cause I'm always so high, so fit. You can't ping, run, smoke lessons. PG-20, I'm in love with the prices. No lie, I can't trust these liars. Too many fake people out wanting me.
Yeah.
No. I don't wanna die.
I'm just joking, bro. Did you win?
Let's do on this side.
Yo.
I need to see if I can.
Bro, look at Ethan, bro. Look at this guy, bro. What is he doing, bro? Look at his car, bro. He's playing that static. He's playing that Silent Hill. Oh, wait.
Stay right here, cause I'm fucking cold.
He's playing that fucking Silent Hill shit, bro. Silent Hill 2, nigga.
Playing that alien mix.
Oh, he's trying to sit when like the monster's nearby.
Yeah, when the monster's nearby, bro.
Hey, there is a monster.
Bro, I'm scared,
There's a
bro.
monster dead near me.
Hey.
Can I wait till that plane passes?
Nah,
Maybe.
nah, do it.
Okay, we'll just wait till that. I don't wanna.
Do that plane.
I don't wanna fucking.
Damn, you can see it on the camera, too.